Today we are going to learn this verb "送." "送" usually is followed by two objects. One is people and one is thing. The order: 送 people thing. 送 people thing. 妈妈送我一个礼物。妈妈送我一个礼物。送 people thing. 送 is an action verb. Before action verb, we can add auxiliary verb, no problem. So, 我想送他花。我想送他花。送 people thing. 你想送妈妈什么？什么 just like English, what? To ask something. 我想送他花。我想送他花。送 people thing. 你要送谁蛋糕？你要送谁蛋糕？谁 question word to ask who. 我要送老师蛋糕。我要送老师蛋糕。送 people thing. 送 people thing. 你想送他什么礼物？ What kind of gift? 你想送他什么礼物？送 people thing. 我想送他一本中文书。我想送他一本中文书。送 people thing. 送 people thing. See you next time. Bye.